The Supreme Court is back in session this week, and the High Court will once again rule on some tense social issues.
Abby Lurico joins us now from the Supreme Court with the fast facts on some of the cases already drawing the most attention. Abby.
Allison, Annie, good morning to you both. Here at the Supreme Court, the tall fences that really became emblematic of the end of last term have come down, and Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson is officially on the job. So yes, a new term has begun. However, the court is still a conservative majority court, and they're going to once again take up issues that have the left and the right divided.
Our sources are the Supreme Court's list of the dozens of cases as of now it plans to take up during this term, the National Conference on State Legislatures, and the docket files for individual cases. Already this week, the courts heard oral arguments in a case that could change the type of water sources and wetlands the EPA is authorized to regulate. Tuesday, the court will hear a case challenging Alabama's congressional districts. Is the map gerrymandered to disenfranchise black voters and violate the Voting Rights Act? The court's also set to consider a concept known as the independent state legislature theory, which asserts the state's legislative branch alone controls aspects of federal elections like district maps, without judicial oversight. This term, the Supreme Court will once again consider whether universities can consider the race of applicants in admissions. Yes, it's previously upheld that race can be among the factors by which applicants are judged, but this conservative majority court will now have the opportunity to decide if those previous decisions were constitutionally wrong and overturn precedent. There's also a Colorado case related to LGBTQ issues, questioning if a Christian graphic designer can state on her website that she will only design wedding websites for straight couples on the basis of freedom of speech.
This October 2022 term stretches into summer of 2023, so it could be several months before we begin hearing decisions on these controversial issues. Reporting from the Supreme Court, I'm Abby Lurico, WUSA 9.